So here at Birdie's, we cook seasonal American food with Italian and French influences. We have a small but mighty kitchen. Right now, we're setting up the grill for service. We're about to open doors. We're hot smoking fish to order. This station, we're cooking all of our pastas. And this is our combination cooking oven, our rationale, and it's kind of the workhorse of our kitchen. My favorite pieces of equipment at Birdie's is our pasta extruder. I love how the humblest of ingredients, flour and water, can create something really special. One of the reasons that I love being a Chef Corps member with World Central Kitchen is because my mode of connection with people is through food, and I love feeding people.